Friends, we will see the another point, dihybrid cross. It is the genetical point. So, I introduce myself. I am Dr. G.B. Honna, Department of Botany, Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Mazalgaon. Dihybrid cross. The definition: a cross between two pure parents, considering contrasting traits of two characters, is called dihybrid cross. Mendel conducted the hybrid cross to study inheritance of two characters at a time, that is, to find out how different characters behave in relation to each other in their inheritance from generation to generation. The hybrid produced from such cross is called dihybrid. Example: Mendel selected two characters, that is cotyledon color yellow and green. Yellow is the color of the cotyledon and green is the color of the seed. That's why the two characters and the both characters are dominant. Another contrasting characters, that is the round and wrinkled shape, that is the round is the dominant character and the wrinkle is the recessive. In pea plants, as two characters for dihybrid cross, Mendel crossed a homozygous pure plant having yellow and round seeds. The genotype is capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R, crossed with homozygous pure plant having green and wrinkled seeds. The genotype is small y, small y, small r, small r. From these two parents, the gametes are produced. From the capital Y, capital Y, capital R, the gamete produce, that is capital Y, capital R. And another plant, that is small y, small y, small r, small r, the small y, small r gamete is produced. After formation of gametes, the gametic fusion takes place and to produce new offspring, that is known as the F1 generation, or it is known as first filial generation. The first filial generation is, that is yellow and round, but the genotype is capital Y, capital R, small r. It is heterozygous, means it is hybrid. This F1 generation, it is self-pollinated, means the F1 generation self-pollinated to takes place and the four types of gametes are produced. From one plant, the four gametes are capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, small y, small r. Another plant produces four types of gamete as like this, that is capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, and small y, small r. These four types of male and female gametes fuse at random in process of fertilization and produces four types of individual in F2 generation, which is shown in table. In this table, after crossing of this yellow and round, the 16 progeny is produced. Out of 16, 9 are produced, that is yellow and round. 3 are yellow and wrinkled, 3 are green and round, and 1 is green and wrinkled. Then we will see. The phenotype is yellow and round. The genotype of this yellow and round, that is capital Y, capital Y, capital R, the genotypic ratio is 1 and the phenotypic ratio is 9. Another genotype is capital Y, capital R, small r. The genotypic ratio out of 16 there are 2. Another genotype capital Y, capital R. The genotype is 2. Another yellow and round, that is capital Y, capital R, small r, it is 4. Another phenotype, that is yellow and wrinkled, the genotype is capital Y, small r, it is 1. Another capital Y, small r, it is 2. The phenotypic ratio is 3. Third phenotype, green and round, that is small y, small r, capital R, it is 2. Small y, capital R, small r, it is 2. And the phenotypic ratio is 3. Fourth phenotype is green and wrinkled. The genotype is small y, small r, the genotypic ratio is 1. And the phenotypic ratio is also 1. Means, in F2 generation, 16 offsprings are produced. Out of 16, the 9 are yellow and round, 3 are yellow and wrinkled, 3 are green and round, and 1 is green and wrinkled. This type of 2 characters taken by Mendel, and the experiment is known as dihybrid cross. Means crossing between 2 characters. In this cross, the 2 characters are, one is color of the seed and another, that is shape of seed. That's why this is 2 character. The example is dihybrid cross. So thank you here.